palm heart salad with cheddar coral. There was this palm tree like this, and they cut it down like this, and then they cut it up like that. But at the top of all of this, underneath it all, there's a thing called a palm heart. Riki will now demonstrate.
So this is it. So I peeled off this outside. It's really interesting. Look at how smooth and
Oh wow, it's so shiny.
like satin, and it's like not hard. It's amazing. And then it kind of pulls apart.
Oh, it's got like this paper stuff.
Yeah. So it's got this stuff, which is like this concertina, feels like plastic almost.
It comes in its own packaging.
Yeah. I don't think this is edible. Not edible.
Definitely the plastic wrap.
So we'll discard that. And then we're left with these pieces. Now, I know when it comes in a tin, they're like round, but that's not as big a tree, right? So let's just cut the end off. Oh, it doesn't feel too hard. Oh, a bit more of the plastics, right?
More packaging.
There's probably a way to get... Oh, I can see it. Okay, you see there's like this different color.
Okay.
All right, so we don't want that light white.
You want the dark coloured stuff.
Yeah, they're slightly darker inside. So I think you need to get rid of all of this somehow. Right, anyway, we'll cut some. So thin strips. And apparently you can fry it as well.
Fry it.
Yeah, you can do a lot with it. And it's really high protein and lots of other vitamins and minerals and things. Let's see what it tastes like. It's like a coconut.
No, it can't taste like coconut. Tastes quite not fully coconutty, but it's really soft.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually really nice.
Surprising. Yeah, like sort of the texture of a water chestnut or...
It's not as crunchy as a
apple.
water chestnut. It's softer than an apple.
It's really, really nice.
Yeah,
it's going to be a
good.
great salad.
Uh-huh.
So, this discolors very quickly. So you put it into some water with a little dash of vinegar in it to
Okay.
keep it white.
So that nice shiny white stuff should be in the vinegar.
No, this didn't discolor at all, weirdly.
Okay.
Right, you get some really big pieces, obviously, with this big tree. Oh, that's really soft.
So like the outside is softer than the inside.
Yeah, it's a bit strange, and maybe a bit more research was required.
I'm going to have a bite of this one.
But these are lovely.
Well, this one's got a nice crunch to it. Much better than the other one.
Snaps. And,
Yeah.
oh, what a great
I
thing.
think it might be sweeter.
Definitely sweeter. Okay, we'll use this part for our salad.
Yeah. Maybe because it's older in the middle. It gets tougher.
Maybe I would have thought the palm heart would have been...
More of the heart. But maybe it's the outside of the heart where it's soft and tender, hasn't been working
Yeah,
so
because
hard.
the inside definitely is just all
All the plastic wrapping.
flaky.
They put the wrapping on the inside instead of on the outside.
Which I assume you can probably chop this up and add it to something. It's still good eats, you know. You
Yeah.
just need to slow cook it or something. Apparently you can cook these as well. And they take on a lot of flavor. So we're going to keep it quite plain and just put a bit of butter.
Butter flavoured ones.
So while I was browsing the internet, I did see people actually made like a bit of a curry and stuff out of these as well.
Like a curry.
Yeah. We're just going to try a simple salad. Let's throw those in.
Do you have to brown them or something?
I haven't the slightest idea what is going to happen. You are figuring this out with us.
Do you deep fry them like chips? Because they do have a crunch to them like potatoes.
I think they got quite, yeah, probably.
A little
Seems
bit
to be,
of colour.
yeah, we'll leave it a bit more. While we're waiting for those to cook, let's do the rest of our salad. Slice a bit of onion. Cherry tomatoes. Beautiful.
Oh, I love cherry tomato season.
Cut them in half. Oh, they've soaked up all their butter. Well, I suppose if you added a lot of flavour, it would change the flavour basically to whatever you added.
Yeah. Now you're just adding it to the salad.
Yep, we tried. Slightly crispier bits.
Cooking show techniques.
Yeah, where they've been cutting and then it's suddenly like, poof, cucumber. Nice soft one. Might be easier for me if I just split it in half.
Well, it's still fibrous in the middle.
Yeah, but
But
it's really soft.
I suppose because it's the fibre, you're cutting across the grain now.
Yeah, and we've definitely had this in magic bowls.
Yes, bowl reverse. But they do something there. I think they boil it in stock or something because it's got such a nice flavour.
Yeah, probably added to it probably just soaks up all the sauce of the rice.
Yeah, well, you say it takes the flavour, so...
Yeah, and then I suppose noodles and things as well would be great.
Yeah.
But when you have an opportunity, gotta try it out. Okay, this is starting to look quite nice. Very tropical. Pop in a few olives. Break them in half. Bit of salt for the tropical vibe. Lemon juice, which I think is going to help those from browning, but you should eat this quite quickly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Not yet. Whenever we put lemon juice, we need to put a bit of something sweet. We're going to put some brown sugar because we don't have any honey. We ran out. But honey would be ideal. Wow, seems like all the coconut wants to be by itself. Looks pretty cool.
It looks good.
Yeah, let's get it on a plate. Oh, I've got one more special thing to show you. Cheddar cheese or Parmesan. But we've got this lovely bag of cheddar. Fine grating.
And grate it straight onto the plate.
Onto a plate. You'll see. It'll come together. You getting that grating, bruh?
No. I am now, I think. Cheese falling onto the plate.
Right, not too much. Kind of just sort of make it into a circle. But don't be too fussy. And then into the microwave. You'll hear it starting to go wild. And that's what you're looking for. It's a few seconds.
Wow, look at it bubbling away.
Yes.
Oh, it smells nice.
Then you wait for it to cool a bit.
Well, it does seem to peel off quite easily.
Yeah, but wait for it to completely set. So when it's cooled down a bit, you can just kind of peel it off the plate. If it doesn't want to come, you might have to cook it a little bit more because it should be quite crispy. But that looks lovely.
It really does.
Cheese curl. Beautiful salad. I'll attempt to prop that up with a tomato or something.
Stand up. Wow. Yeah, that actually looks really cool.
Yeah, a restaurant tip that you can do in your microwave.
Cook some cheese.
And you don't need Parmesan. Cheddar works just fine. But if you've got Parmesan, that also works like a treat.
Awesome.
One last step.
1 million photos, I remember.
To balance those black olives. Let's put a little bit of balsamic glaze.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful. And a smidge of black pepper. It smells incredible.
Looks awesome. Palm heart salad.
Palm heart salad with cheddar coral.
Looks like coral, and
It's so pretty.
you got the cooked ones and the raw ones, and oh man, it is awesome. With a palm tree in the background, what could be better? Uh-huh.
Give it a go.
Palm heart salad. You try the palm heart.
Bit of everything.
Uh-huh.
Lovely. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed our exploration into palm heart.
So next time you're chopping down a tree,
I mean, don't chop down one intentionally.
but if one happens to fall in the forest, go eat its heart. Oh, wow. Hey, Rick, you know they say if you eat an animal's heart, you get its strength? Am I going to be like a palm tree now?
Hopefully.
Yeah, big and woody. Oh, wait.
Cover your ears.